Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So have you ever just wanted like a deep clean, like you feel like you just really need just a super deep clean so that you can just really get all the gunk out of your skin? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about today. So one of the things that's going to be able to help you get all of that yucky stuff out of your skin is going to be steaming. So steaming your face. So steaming your face is going to help open up the pores and help you to get a further deep clean into your skin so that you can get the perfect skin that you truly want and truly desire and what you truly deserve. Okay, so today we're going to talk about that. Let's go ahead and get started. So as I said, steaming your face or just steaming your skin, period. So either that's getting out, taking a nice long shower, or just using a steaming method, which I will show today in our video. So today, if you steam your face or just steam your body, you're really opening up your pores and loosening up all the buildup that's within your pores so that you can really get inside and be able to get all of that gunk out of your skin. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do that and talk about all the benefits that come along with it as well. One of the benefits that comes along with steaming is that it improves your circulation. Okay, so if you steam your face, we're going to be specifically talking about face steaming today. So if you steam your face, one of the great benefits of it is that it's going to provide circulation to your skin. So it's going to provide you with this nice glowy skin because all of the blood is flowing to your face now as well. So that's providing you with this nice glowy skin, and who doesn't want, beautiful glowing skin that will just have people just looking at you like, I'm not sure what you're doing, but keep on doing it. Okay, for my people out there that has acne prone skin, it's also great for you as well. So you definitely want to steam so that you're able to release that acne causing bacteria that is within your skin. And also you're able to unclog your pores as well. You have trapped sebum within your skin that can cause acne, and it could cause blackheads. So that is one thing that steaming does as well, is that it releases that extra sebum that you have in your skin so that you can reduce the amount of blackheads that you have as well as acne. It is extremely hydrating to your face as well, so that creates just extra moisture for your skin. And if you know anything about having moisturized skin, that's going to help your skin as you age and just keep you looking nice and luxurious and plumped. Okay, so one thing about steaming is that it is extremely soothing. Okay, so it not only is it great for your skin, but it's also just very relaxing, to be quite honest with you. So just taking that time for yourself and being able to just relax and just totally let go all of the day's worries and all of the things that you're thinking about, and just being able to solely just relax and just take in all of the steam. But while it is extremely soothing, it also helps you to absorb the products that you will put on your skin afterward. So another point about steaming is that it helps with if you are sick, if you have like congestion within, definitely nasal congestion, definitely try steaming, because that can be a natural way of improving your opening up your nasal passages so that you can decrease the congestion within your nasal passages. Okay, and it is also known to be able to help with maybe even headaches. Okay, so if you have headaches out there, definitely give steaming a try. You never know what can happen. Okay, definitely with some nice oils that can help headaches. And if you guys want me to do a video on oils that can help with things such as headaches, sure, just let me know in the comments below. So while all these things are great as far as the things that steaming is great for, as far as for your skin and as far as for your nasal congestion and things of that nature, one of the things that I just haven't talked about yet is that it can truly be affordable. Okay, steaming your face can truly be affordable. Steaming your body can truly be affordable. Okay, and I'm going to show you an affordable way of steaming your face today. Okay, so you don't have to go out there and get one of those expensive steamers. You know, you don't have to do that if you want to, of course. But here on this channel, we're trying to do things in a holistic manner, but also in a budget-friendly manner as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you a way to steam your face, but on a budget. Okay, so steaming, you can steam your face over a bowl, which I will show you today. Steam it over a bowl or a sink of hot water. That also works as well, with a handful of herbs and oils, whichever one works best for you. Once the water begins to boil, definitely stir up those herbs and oils so that can truly get circulated within the water as well. Okay, so a lot of people may think may wonder how you know, how much oil to use. It's truly up to you and your situation, and what type of oils that you want to use is also up to you. So for me, I will show you the oils that I use, and with my particular skin type, I do have, as far as my skin type, I am pretty acne prone. So I do want to make sure that I try to keep the acne at bay as much as possible. Okay, so I use different oils related to that. So if you wanted to, you know, copy that as well, please be my guest and let me know how it worked for you below. Okay, so as far as for your base, you can use tap water if you like, or you can use distilled water, or maybe even a tea. Teas are known, such as green tea is known to be great for your skin as well. So if you wanted to take the time and use a tea for your skin, or as your base, you know, I would definitely you know, give that a try as well. In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how to steam your face just by using just regular tap water. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and just get into the part of me showing you how to steam your face. And please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's go.
So I'm just going to be sitting here steaming my face for the next about 10 minutes. I believe I did it for 7 minutes. So I'm going to steam my face. If you do this method, please make sure that the towel is all the way over your head so that, you know, most of the steam is hitting your face. But other than that, please take a look at my next video, and I will be doing an aloe vera face mask, and that is what I went right into after this, okay? And that video will be linked below, and as well as in one of the cards above as well, okay? Thanks for watching, and please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.